Okay, let's be real for a second. I spent the last month going down the AI video rabbit hole and I've burned through more credits and money than I care to admit. Now we are talking about 40,000 rupees gone. You see something incredible on Twitter, an AI video that looks like magic. You get excited, you sign up for a tool, and the results are just meh. It's frustrating. And I know what that leads to. The late night scrolling, the dozen open tabs, the question that's just circling in your head, am I choosing the right one? Am I missing out on the best AI video tool? Today, I'm going to save you from that frustration. We are going to put the three biggest names, Runway, HeyGen, and Pika, head to head in a live, no BS showdown. But we are not picking one winner. We are going to find the right tool for your dream, for your project. By the end of this video, you will walk away with absolute clarity. So my mission is to make sure you never waste a single rupee on the wrong tool again. Let's do this. Let's paint a picture. Imagine your heart drops. It's 2 p.m. on a Friday and your boss or your client needs a polished professional training video by the end of the day. You have the script, but you have no camera, no mic, and zero time. Well, the panic starts to set in. This is HeyGen's world. This isn't just a tool. It's an emergency lifeline. Let's test it right now. Here we are, no time to waste. I'm picking a professional looking avatar, grabbing our script for a fake product, Connects Fair, and pasting it in. We'll choose a voice. This one sounds trustworthy and we hit generate. What's happening now is the magic of delegation. HeyGen is creating a digital human to deliver our message with perfect consistency. It's not about making art, it's about solving a business problem fast and in less time than it took for my heart rate to go back to normal. We have this. A clean, professional, ready-to-send video. The crisis is averted. For this use case, the world of deadlines, corporate content, and professional communication, HeyGen is the undisputed champion. It's your digital hero. Okay, but now let's forget the deadline. Let's talk about the dream. You are an artist, a filmmaker. You have a vision in your head, a world you want to bring to life. This is where the real creative battle happens. Runway versus Pika. To test them, we are giving both the exact same prompt. A real creative challenge. So a photorealistic close-up of a hummingbird in slow motion, iridescent feathers and cinematic lighting. Now let's start with Pika. Pika is like a lightning strike of inspiration. It's fast, it's vibrant, and here's the result. It's stunning. It feels magical, like a fantasy painting. Pika took my words and gave me its dream. And it's beautiful. Now let's give the same prompt to Runway. Runway feels different. It's more methodological. And here's the result. Do you see that? The texture on the feathers, the way the light reflects, it feels so real. But here's what truly changes the game. Control. Pika gave me a beautiful painting, but Runway gives me a film set. With Runway's motion brush, I can say, I only want the wings to move. I can breathe into life, a static world, exactly how I see it in my mind. For the artist who doesn't want the AI's dream, but wants to create their own, Runway wins the creative showdown. But there's one more feeling we need to talk about. Pure, spontaneous fun. Now you're scrolling reels, you see a trending sound and a hilarious idea sparks your mind. You have 10 minutes to capture that lightning in a bottle before it disappears. This is where Pika Labs come roaring back. This is its home turf. Let's grab this classic meme image. I have a silly idea. I want him to subtly raise his eyebrows with Pika's Modify Region tool. I just paint over the eyebrows, tell it to raise slowly, and let's add a perfectly timed ding with their AI sound tool and hit generate. And just like that, in 30 seconds, we have a funny, trend-responsive video ready to go. It's pure, joyful, and spontaneous creation. For the speed of social media and the pure fun of making things, Pika is your champion. So, we went on a journey from the panic of a deadline to the dream of an artist to the joy of a creator. And the truth about the best AI video tool is that it was never about the tool. It was always about the job. The war is now over and you won because now you have clarity. If you are a professional with a deadline, your savior is HeyGen. If you are an artist with a vision, then your studio is Runway. If you are a creator with an idea, then your playground is Pika. So stop searching for that one tool to rule them all. Pick your weapon and go tell your story. I know that was a lot, and to make this decision completely foolproof for you, I built the tool I wish I had a month ago. I call it the AI Video Decision Matrix. This isn't just a checklist, it's a personal guide. You answer 5 simple questions about your project, your goals, your styles, and it will tell you the exact tool you will need. Okay, now one last thing. We're a community here. What is the first incredible thing you are going to create now that you have this clarity? Let me know in the comments. I truly want to see what you build. And if this breakdown helped you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you for being here with me today. Now go make something incredible.